Coming to you guys live. Look, there's my hummingbird. Comes. Ooh, and it's the double-tailed. That means super, super, super good luck. Oh my gosh, y'all. This is a miracle. I'm trying to put my coffee away. It's a miracle. Look right here. Look. It's got two, they say the double tail, when it splits like that, good luck. We have the balloons out this morning. It is a beautiful day. We got the, oh, I hear another hummingbird coming in hot. Look. I love how they dance. Dance. Do. Oh, we got the chicken brigades out. What's up, Mr. Cock-a-doodle-doo-doo-doo? What's up, Big Daddy Honcho? What's good? Look at all these chickens. And there's still the big ones over there.